friends are fighting hard. Don't leave them behind.
Well, well, well. If it isn't my role model, Wolf.
Hope you'll let us know before you go solo this time.
I hope the bad guys are cute.
My dear assistants, the shifting gate is starting up. Please get ready. Get your protective suits situated, activate the Geiger counter, and move your bodies. Initialization complete. The elevator is ready to activate. Connection anchored. Lanue Aeronautics Campus, Ulsan Petrochemical Plant, the Kronstadt Extraterrestrial Arcology. For convenience sake, we typically call them the Aeronautics Campus, Icefield, and Arcology. Synchronization complete. Current radiation levels safe. At least for light bearers. Research first, chit-chat later. On your marks, get set. All right, assistants, bring back the data echoes and help me complete my research. Step through the sync gates, collect data, research commences. Remember to submit your data through the transmission terminal. Unsubmitted results don't count. Your super recharge efficiency will be weakened by environmental radiation, but you can compensate by completing data surge assignment contracts or defeating enemies. The sync gate and catapult have been activated. You can now maneuver at a faster speed.
I vote you.
deployed. Remember, the detector deployment area is entrance only. If you enter, you'll be stuck with your competitors for a while. The large detector is running at high frequency. Why not come check it out? That was a group message. So get ready. You've got company. The detector is overclocked, so data mining operators must be paused. You can now freely enter and exit the area. Shrine. Activate your guidance system to track it. Outstanding contribution. You've now obtained access to enter 2 shifting shrines. Head to the orange beam with your fire team. Sync tunnel activated. Ready for contact. We've passed half time now. Have you collected enough data to meet the baseline? Outstanding contribution. That much? Looks like I'll need to upgrade my bandwidth. If they successfully translate the data nucleus, the credits will be theirs. If they successfully translate the data nucleus, the credits will be theirs. Outstanding contribution. Massive amounts of radiation have made the data doubly active. Now's a great time to upload. That's two. You have 1 minute left to submit your data. Keep an eye on the surroundings of the transmission terminal. It's a hot spot for ambushes. Data has been received. Only 30 seconds left. Assistants who haven't submitted their data, this is your last window of opportunity. Assistants, this is the last call for data submission.
Someone hook them up! Oh, lightning?
Let's wrap up for today. Well done, my assistants. Keep in touch. Don't be strangers, okay?